I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this is How to Play The Waiting by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, especially for Joni. Let's start out with that opening riff. You're playing a G chord, but you're going to start off on the F sharp, or the 6th string 2nd fret. And I'm doing a very solid rock and roll articulation on that. And then kind of an upstroke on the high strings. It's almost picking, but not exactly. You don't have to be particularly accurate since you're playing acoustic. If you're playing the electric part in a band, totally different story. The second chord is going to be a D with an F sharp in the bass. To do that, we're going to stick our thumb. I normally tell you to put your thumb down behind the neck, but in this case we're going to roll it over and grab that same F sharp on the 2nd fret 6th string and play a D chord down here. So your first finger is on the 3rd string 2nd fret, middle finger is on the 1st string 2nd fret, and your ring finger is on the 2nd string 3rd fret, and your thumb is on the 6th string 2nd fret. And then we're going to switch to an A sus. A sus 7 in this case. All we're doing is we're playing a D chord. You're going to pick up your middle finger and move your index finger over to the 4th string 2nd fret. And that's the bulk of your intro. To make it sound as much like the band as possible, make sure you get good firm roots on your downbeat. The next chord is one of Joni's favorites, a B minor. We're going to make it easy by putting your first finger on the 5th string 2nd fret. Middle finger goes on the 2nd string 3rd fret. Ring finger reaches over and grabs the 4th string on the 4th fret. Pinky gets the 3rd string 4th fret. And you're going to play the middle 4 strings. 5, 4, 3, 2. The regular A chord you can play any way you want. These 3 fingers, these, it doesn't. As long as you have these 3 strings pushed down, 4, 3, and 2, press down on the 2nd fret, you've got an A chord. Now the G, you'll notice, I'm playing without my first finger. That does a couple of things. It makes it really easy to switch from there to D, especially from there to the D F sharp. So, leave your first finger out, put your middle finger, 5th string, 2nd fret, ring finger goes on the 6th string, 3rd fret, and your pinky goes 1st string, 3rd fret. Way on down there. Don't let them kill you, baby. Don't let this go too far. Don't let it get to you. It's an F sharp major chord. You got to have it in there. There's only one really good way to play it. First finger goes all the way across the 2nd fret. That's right, it's the dreaded bar chord. And then your middle finger is going to go 3rd string 3rd fret. Ring finger 5th string 4th fret. Pinky crowds behind it on the 4th string 4th fret. If you're desperate to play the song and you still can't get the bar chord down, then just reach your first finger across, make sure you've got a good solid F sharp, and then get your ring finger on the 5th string 4th fret, and play just those 2 strings. You have a nice strong power chord. Don't let this go too far, don't let it get to you, and that'll work just fine. For the strumming pattern, don't forget it all starts with a steady beat. In this case, it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's say we're going to hit the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we're going to hit 1 and a 2 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. As one of my face-to-face students noticed the other day, if you hit some others, it still sounds good. Now then, when we get to the yeah, yeah part, we're going to change it again, and we're going to change our steady beat. Instead of going down, up, we're going to go down, 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 down. If you want to, you can get a little palm mute in there for more rock and roll sound on your acoustic. Hey, yeah, 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 the way. And then on the chorus, you want to kind of go back to that original strumming pattern. 1 and Nice strong roots. Now that one is in anticipation, it's not on the downbeat. If you were strumming it straight like this, it'd be on an upbeat. I'll usually change mine, but if that's easier for you, that works just fine too. Or you can double up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's the basics of The Waiting by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. Now I condense it for the videos, but take your time, fast forward, rewind, all you need to. Practice slowly. Don't forget to check below the video for a link to the chord chart, as well as other lessons that you might like to learn. Below that, there's a big gray box. If you have any problems, please ask questions. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play The Waiting by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. Thank you for watching.